All right, today we're going to bring a street light. This is an outdoor light. It could be for your patio, your garage, pretty much an entrance. Now, it has a long neck, all right? We're going to set this up. It has 3 tones. It has a 3000K, 4000K, and 5000. Now, you are going to have to require, if you want the sensor to be on, to remove the actual cap. And the other side is where you control the actual sensors, all right? Not the sensors, but the actual light, all right? So one shows you the light, the other one's the sensor. And I'm going to show you how it works right now, all right? Right now, there's 3 different colors that we can choose from, which is the high beams, all right? And we're going to go ahead and set this up and see how it looks. Okay, here's the actual sensor part. Not the sensor, but the actual, well, you can show the sensor gradually, and also the lighting, all right? Right now, it's set to, I think it's the highest one, all right? And you can change the different tones. We're going to test it out in here so you guys can see the tones. Okay, so we're going to pass the line through here, and you need to remember that you need ground, hot, and neutral, all right? So it's going to go through here, and it's going to go through the base. All right, we're all set already. And if you guys can see the cable, I dropped it down to the bottom. So give me access to take it out. All right, so I'm going to show you guys why it's on, the 3 different colors. So let me rotate it. And right now we have one tone here, right? Here's the other one, and then the lower one. So the highest beam, and then I'm gonna change the different colors too, right? So right now we have yellow, off, and white. And it takes a while sometimes, it just turns on. So this is the first one, all right? First one, and I'm gonna set it up all high. First one, and it's gonna take a second, and then it comes on. And then the last one, I'm gonna keep this one. This is my favorite one, so we're gonna keep that one. And it's a high beam right now. All right, there's the sensor. We just took it out right now, but you can always put it back on if you want. That's an option. It's up to you. All right, so this is the final light, and if you guys can see, this thing is super bright. In fact, I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys can see how bright it is. All right, so I plugged it in, and I had the plug here. So it's standing about maybe around 10 to 12 feet high, right? And it's illuminating the entire yard. I mean, I can see all the way from the back and all the way to the front. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about in a bit right now. So right now, this is just the beginning. I'm going to show you how this, I'm going to disconnect it. Completely darkness. And then turn it back on. And this thing is great. So if you're going to set it up in your front yard, your backyard, you don't have to worry. It's outdoor graded. It's perfect. Right, because I put it really high, I'm going to show you guys my backyard, how bright it is. And this is taking on a whole new thing. Look at this brightness of light. And I'm going to stand on this side so you guys can see how much I'm actually illuminating here, which is not bad. It's really good. So really high if you're looking for a great light. High light like this. And I just the outdoor pole, make sure you stabilize it and tie it up to the top, and you should be good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.